Hey guys, it's Orlando and I'm back with another video for Max Auto Detailing. Today I wanted you guys to take a tour with me in the shop so I can show y'all what we're working on today. So y'all stay tuned and I'm gonna take y'all in the shop. Okay guys, today we got Subaru and he's getting a full interior cleaning on this one, and we're gonna also throw in a free car wash for him booking with us. So we do offer stuff like that. So this is what we're working on today, guys. He got a little bit of mold, a little bit of dog puke, but that's okay though, because he chose the right location. We're gonna get this guy taken well care of, make it look like a new vehicle again. Excuse the tool over there. Got a little bit of dog hair and stuff like that, but it's okay. Give you guys a full walk around of the vehicle. Drop my light, but it's okay. So yeah, this is what we're working on today. Get a full view of that as well. Going around to this side, as you can see, I done already pulled the seats for this vehicle. And I'll give you guys a look at the chairs that come out of there with a little bit of puke on them as well. Yes. So we're gonna get these things on the stand and we're gonna go to work. Be back with you guys shortly. product. You know I told y'all we had to throw that wash in there for him now. This was the interior clean. Now we got to show y'all. Y'all know what it looked like before. So here's the after. Yes, sir. Max Auto, come see us. We'll take care of you guys. Y'all make sure y'all come see us. As y'all can see the customer over there, he is happy. Oh yeah, that's also the coach of the Arkansas Razorbacks. So y'all make sure y'all go check out a couple of their games too, y'all. Oh yes, sir. We got them right, y'all. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. We finally done with the customer vehicle. And as you guys can see, he loved his vehicle, man. So we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. Peace.